Hey everyone, welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the complete process of building a fully interactive 3D product configurator and WebAR experience using Thridify, from logging in all the way to publishing and previewing your final setup. Whether you're creating product experiences for e-commerce, marketing, or sales visualization, this walkthrough will show you how to bring your product to life, step by step. Let's jump right in. Login page. To begin, head over to the Thridify admin panel. Log in using your email and password, or, if you prefer, you can sign in quickly using Google Authentication. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can manage all your products and experiences. Adding a new 3D model. Click Add New Product, and enter your product details, things like the name, category, and description. Now upload your GLB file, which is the optimized format used by Thridify for real-time 3D and AR delivery. Once uploaded, you'll notice several optimization pipelines available. These help improve performance across devices. Select the pipeline that suits your use case, and proceed. Click Customize to continue. Configurator Workspace Overview. Your model is now successfully uploaded and ready for configuration. To access all controls, click the green chevron at the top. This opens the settings panel where most of your customization tools live. From here, we'll start building the experience. Applying materials and finishes. Head over to the Finishes tab. Here, you'll see all materials already present in the model. You can now apply colors, textures, or finishes from your material library to each material, aligning with your product design. If you're not sure how to populate your material library, check out our dedicated tutorial on building material libraries. Once finishes are applied, click Save and Publish. You can click Preview anytime to test your progress and see how customers can switch colors or textures in real time. Creating variants. Let's expand the configurator options. Go to the Modularization tab, where all model nodes are visible. To create a base version of the product, hide optional accessories or elements you don't want included by default. Now click Save Variant, give it a clear name, and optionally assign a thumbnail or color indicator. Checking the zoom lock option ensures this variant always opens at the same camera angle and distance. Publish the changes. Head to the Variants tab and set this as the default variant, meaning customers will see it first when launching the experience. Quickly verify everything by publishing and previewing. Adding optional accessories. Now we'll enable optional add-ons. If accessories come in different sizes or styles, select those nodes and create a choice set. This lets customers pick one option from multiple variations. Name everything clearly, save, and publish. To enable customers to add multiple add-ons at the same time, choose Selection Set. With that, customers can keep on selecting and adding multiple accessories to the product. Save and publish. Your configurator now supports meaningful product customization. To save time, we've fast-forwarded through additional setup. You'll see more options already configured. Adding hotspots. Let's enhance storytelling using hotspots. Go to the Hotspots tab and click any point on the model to place one. Add a title, description, and icon. You can include close-up images and enable focus on hotspot, which automatically adjusts the camera view. Hotspots are incredibly flexible. They can explain features, show USPs, embed videos, trigger animations, switch variants. For deeper coverage, check our hotspot tutorial, link on screen. Save, publish, and preview anytime. If a hotspot blocks the product view, enable Move Away from Product to offset its position. Lighting controls. You can add custom lights to improve realism. Adjust position, intensity, and decay directly in the controls. This is especially useful for highlighting surface detail or premium finishes. Settings Deep Dive. AR Settings. In Settings, you'll find advanced configuration options. Under AR Settings, choose wall or floor placement. Enable resizing in AR. Launch AR automatically when QR is scanned. This ensures optimal real-world interaction. Lighting Settings. The lighting section lets you fine-tune exposure, shadows, and presets. You can also apply bloom effects for products featuring illumination. Backgrounds. Add visual context using backgrounds. Upload HDR files for immersive 3D environments. Or use JPG/PNG for simple 2D scenes. Tone mapping. Experiment with tone mapping presets to refine visual mood and contrast. Call to Action button. Want to drive conversions? Add a CTA button, simply define text and URL. Camera controls. Camera settings allow interaction control. Auto rotation. Horizontal only rotation. Restrict bottom viewing. Zoom range limits. These help guide user experience and avoid awkward views. Customizer display. Control how and when configuration options appear to customers, keeping the UI clean and intuitive. Environment image. Finally, environment lighting. Upload HDR images or select from presets to influence reflections and mood, working alongside manual lights and presets. Together, these create a polished, realistic presentation. Final preview. Now let's experience the final configurator. Wheel test. Material changes. Variant switching. Choice sets. Hotspots. AR launch. And just like that, you've built a fully interactive 3D configurator with WebAR capability. And that's it, you've seen the full end-to-end workflow inside Thridify. As you continue exploring, remember, the more thoughtfully you configure materials, options, and storytelling elements, the more engaging the product experience becomes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.